Hello guys, welcome all. Another video today. Without wasting time, I'll just show you the products. A set of 5 cars. So this is one. Okay, this is one. This is a purple one, as you see. Very beautiful car. It is from Hot Wheels, if you can see. So yes, the complete sets are from Hot Wheels. This is a Hot Wheels design, and the name is Voltage Spike. This is the first one I've got. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, then there is a second one. This one looks like the front looks like a Citroen. Okay, but it's not a Citroen anyways, it's a Hot Wheels original design. The name is High Voltage. You can see over here, the name is High Voltage. Okay, made in Indonesia, Hot Wheels design, upright metal. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, the third one. Okay, this is the third one. See, looks like a Koenigsegg Agera. If you see the front, it completely looks like a Agera or a Regera. The front. See this portion. If you can see, it looks like the same. However, it's not Koenigsegg. Okay, it's again Hot Wheels design. Okay, the name is Power Surge. You can see 2015 metal. Okay, made in Indonesia. I'll put it over here. Now comes the fourth one. Okay, this is again Hot Wheels design. Looks like a Formula 1 or a champ car, or you can say a Formula car, any series, but it is not. It looks like a racing car only. This is the front, yeah, and this is the rear. This is the rear, this is the front. Okay, this is a single seater. As you can see, the name is What's Up. Again a Hot Wheels design, metal incorporated. We put it here. Okay, let's go to the last one. Okay, this is it. It's a black color. Okay, matte finish. You can see again a Hot Wheels design. This is a pickup truck, but the name is, आप देख सकते हो नाम क्या है. It is a hyper truck. Okay, 2012 courtesy metal hyper truck. You can see over here. So these are the 5 cars I have got. Okay, these are the 5. This was a set of 5. Okay, very beautiful cars, and the assorted colors you can see. All colors are there. These glow in the dark. So ये glow करते हैं dark में. I'll just show you how it glows. So can you guys see this? See this, how they glow, how the wheels are glowing. See this for all the 5 cars. यही इसमें unique है. Okay, you will have to give some time, put it in some light so that it glows. So in night it properly glows, and kids love playing in the night with this glow. One more time, see how they are glowing. So this is what makes them unique. Okay, so it's a very unique characterized set of cars. So guys, this is what it is. 5 cars with glowing wheels in the dark. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.